This 2025 Highland Ridge Open Range 3x287 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Wayland, Michigan, 49348 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Highland Ridge is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleeps 4 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.